we're going to be driving through Louisiana on our way back. To
get on, drive through it, and go up. So, what's the name of this gyrocopter here, this company?
It's the Trendak Tercel. That's what gyros.
Oh, the Trendak Tercel. This is a Tercel.
So there's the name of the manufacturer, Trendak Aviation.
This is one of the major manufacturers of gyrocopters here. You got 2 seats here. And how much land do you need to land this thing?
0 to 15 feet.
That's what I thought. 0 to 15 and about 300 to take off. And what's the miles per gallon on this thing, or nautical, or whatever?
4 to 6 gallons per hour is what it burns.
So about $25 an hour. Cruises at between 70 and 90.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what, the 912 turbo went back?
Yep.
And what's your name?
Josh Humphreys.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
And you're from Utah, correct?
I'm from Texas originally, but I live in Utah.
Okay. Well, cool. And that's a 3-seater over there. And it's equipped like it is now. It's 109,000 as it sets.
Well, it doesn't have the GPS or the transponder, but everything else it has.
Okay. It's got good visibility out of it.
Yeah.
Seats adjust backwards. Well, all right, thank you so much, sir.
Hey, nice to meet you.
All right.